There are probably a number of reasons why cabin crew will face these frustrations. Bad service is a big reason, but the interviewer wants to see if you can identify reasons which do not involve you personally or the airline. The passengers are in unfamiliar circumstances. They have probably had a hard time getting through ticketing, immigration, and finding their way around the airport. Through the whole process, you, as the flight attendant, are probably the first person they have had to vent all this frustration on. Many passengers are uncomfortable or even afraid of flying. This frustration could be a sign of a fear of flying. If the passenger has gotten up early for the flight, they are probably tired, and this tends to make people irritable.